Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. IKEA's bathroom designs are a testament to both form and function, offering innovative solutions for modern living with a commitment to affordability and sustainability. IKEA has transformed the way we think about bathroom design. At the heart of IKEA's approach is the belief that a bathroom should be tranquil retreat that caters to our daily routines. Their designs blend Scandinavian simplicity with a touch of elegance, creating a space that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. IKEA's vast range of bathroom furniture and accessories allow you to customize your space to meet your unique needs, from vanities and cabinets to mirrors and storage solutions. Their products are designed to maximize space utilization while maintaining a clean and uncultured look. When sets IKEA apart is their dedication to sustainability. They prioritize eco-friendly materials and production methods, ensuring that your bathroom not only looks good but is also environmentally responsible. Their water-saving faucets and energy-efficient lighting options further contribute to a greener lifestyle. Moreover, IKEA offers the tools like the bathroom planning tool and expert advice to help you bring your dream bathroom to life. Whether you have a small powder room or a spacious spa-like oasis in mind, IKEA's versatile designs and affordable prices make it possible for everyone to enjoy a bathroom that reflects their personal style and needs. In conclusion, IKEA's bathroom design a harmonious blend for practicality, style, and sustainability. It empowers individuals to create beautiful and functional bathrooms that enhance their daily lives while caring for the planet. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.